Updating the software on your TV helps to fix any bugs or issues and also adds new features. Press Home on your remote to open Smart Hub. Next, press the left directional button. Scroll down to and select Settings, and then scroll over to All Settings and select it. From here, select Support, Software Update, and then Update Now. Your TV will begin checking for updates. If a new version is available, simply follow the on-screen prompts to get updated. Looks like my TV is already up to date. To ensure your TV stays up to date in the future, just be sure Auto Update is enabled.